عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم؟ أهلا وسهلا إلى دراسة اللغة العربية. First of all, we will revise previous part. Jim, ha, ha. While writing Jim, ha, ha, we should start little above line and it should come down. Now, I am going to show you letter Dal. Dal. Children, all of you repeat after me. Dal for Deek. Deek meaning coke. Repeat after me. Dal for Deek. Deek coke. Now I am going to show you how to write letter Dal. While writing letter Dal, you should write full letter on the line. These are examples of letter Dal. Dal for the coke. Dal starting. Dal for Hadiqa. Hadiqa meaning garden or park. In this word Dal middle. Dal for Qird meaning monkey. In this word Dal is last. Next letter is Dal. Dal is having one dot up. Children, all of you repeat after me. Dal for Dhura. Dhura corn. Now all of you listen how to write letter Zal. Zal. Zal Fatha Za. Zal Kisra Zi. Zal Dhamma Dhu. Now can I show you some words for Dal? Dal. Dal for Dhura. Dhura corn. Dal for Hida. Hida shoes. Dal for Nawafi. Nawafi small windows. Now take your notebook. Write in next page. Dal. Draw 4 columns. Dal. Dal Fatha Da. Dal Kasra Di. Dal Dhamma Du. Next letter is Dal. After completing Dal, take next page and write letter Dal, Dal. Draw 4 columns and write Dal. Dal Fatha Da. Dal Kasra Di. Dal Dhamma Du. شكرا وجزاكم الله خيرا.